Good morning class. Today we are going to continue with problem set number 49, sum number 3. In our last lecture we have completed till sum number 2. Now going to continue with sum number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meters long. Find its perimeter. So children, square, you all know all the sides of the square are equal. So what we have to do? Problem set number 49, sum number 3. So first of all we have to write solution. Okay. Now what you have to write? You have to find out what? Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Okay. Now you remember first step is formula. A formula is what? Now it is a square. So you have to write 4 into length of one side. Length of one side. That is the formula for finding out perimeter of a square. Understood children? So moving further, now what is the measurement of one side? First of all you have to write 4 into what? What is the measurement? That is 9. One side is 9 centimeters long. So 4 multiplied by 9 is equals to what? 36. Now what is this? Meters or centimeters? It is meters. Right? 4 into 9, that is meters. So what answer? This is your answer. Answer, perimeter. The perimeter of the square is equals to is 36 meters. Understood children? 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So the perimeter of the square is 36 meters. Coming to the fourth sum. Now your fourth sum is, if we take 4 rounds. If we take 4 rounds of a field that is 160 meters long and 90 meters wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Now children, this is like two questions. The question is in two parts. First part is that we are taking 4 rounds, right? 4 rounds of a field. Now that field is 160 meters long and 90 meters wide. So what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Now this is in meters. This is in meters. We have to find out in kilometers. So again you have to convert. Conversion is there. So first of all find out its perimeter. Then multiply by 4 because 4 rounds, no? And then what? You have to convert the answer in kilometers. So how are we going to do that? First of all we have to find out the perimeter. Okay. Solution. The perimeter of the field is what? Is equals to 2. Here we will write formula. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So is equals to what? 2 into 160. One is 160, no? 160 meters plus 2 into 90 meters. Okay. Is equals to what? Now 16 2s are 2 into 160, no? Keep 0 aside. We can write 0 down. Now 16 2s are 32. This is 320. Now this is what? Meters. Plus 2 into 90. So we can write here 0 as we did it here. Write the 0 first only. Now 2 nines is 18. Write here 18. Now again this is meters. Now you have to add this. Is equals to what? 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0 here. Carry, keep 1 in your mind. That carrying 1 keep in your mind. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So what did we get? 500 meters. Now what is this? What did we find out? We found out the perimeter. Answer. So first part of the sum is done. The perimeter of the ground field. The perimeter of the field is 500 meters. Right? It is 500 meters. Now took 4 rounds. How many rounds? So what we have to do? One distance of 1 round. The distance of 1 round is equals to 500 meters. Okay children, now we have to find out the distance for 4 rounds. Therefore, the distance for 4 rounds is equals to 4 into 500 meters is equals to what? 4 5s are 20. Now add these two zeros here. That is 2000 meters. Understood? So the distance for 4 rounds is equals to 2000 meters. Now you have to convert this meters into kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Therefore 2000 meters is equals to 2 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equals to how much? 1000. Now here we found out 2. So when 2 is divided by 1000, it is divided by 1000. What you will get? It is 2. Understood? So the answer is 2 kilometers. Answer is equals to 2 kilometers. 4 rounds, you can write it in the sentence form. 4 rounds of the field will be 2 kilometers. Understood children? So this question is little big. You have to break it into parts, understand what is given, what is asked. Now it is asked that the four rounds were taken. So first you have to find out the distance of 1 round, then only you can calculate for 4 rounds. Right children? So 1 round is 5 meters. 1 round is how much? 5 meters. Then 4 rounds is equals to 4 into 500, that is 2000 meters. Now we found out the distance for 4 rounds, that is 2000 meters. Now conversion part is there. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Therefore 2000 meters will be 2 kilometers. So the final answer will be 4 rounds of the field will be 2 kilometers. Right children? Understood? Moving towards the 5th sum. Now your 5th sum is Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meters, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. So children, this is exactly same as we did now. Instead of 4 rounds, here 12 rounds are there. Instead of a field, here a square park is there. Here it is rectangle, here it is a square. Only difference is that much. It is a square. So how to calculate for the square? We have done it in the previous sum. In the third sum, 4 into length of one side, that will be 4 multiplied by 120, that will be 480 meters multiplied by 12. That will be the answer. Now that you have to convert into kilometers. So now I hope you can do the fifth sum on your own. So I'll write this as homework. Fifth sum, homework. Same sum, no children? Same you have to calculate. Then coming to the sixth question. Your sixth question is the length of a rectangular plot of a land is 50 meters. Its width is 30 meters. A triple fence has to be put along its edges. If the wire costs 60 rupees per meter, what will be the total cost of the wire needed for the fence? Now children, here we are having a rectangular plot, right? Its measurement is 50 meters and 30 meters. Okay. Now triple fencing, you know fencing, that iron wire is put on the boundary wall. Edges means the boundary wall, right? That is a rectangle. And triple, 3 wires are there, so that people can't come in to rob, right? So that is, now first we have to find out how much wire is required, and then we have to find out how much cost will be there, how much that wire will cost, because that wire is costing 60 rupees per meter. So we have to find out the total cost for the fencing. So how are we going to do that? So first we have to write solution. Find out perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? Formula is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Width and breadth is same, children. Don't get confused. Width and breadth is same. Now what you have to do is equals to 2 into. Now what is the measurement? The measurement is 50 and 30. The measurement is 50 meters and 30 meters. So we have to write here 50 meters plus 2 into 30 meters is equals to, calculate this, then calculate this. Addition sign will be brought down as it is. First 2 numbers are there, multiplication sign is there, multiply that. 2 5s are 10, bring down 0. 2 3s are 6, bring down 0. This is what? 160. 100 plus 60 is equals to 160. Now these are meters, no? So we have to write here 160 meters. Now this is what? Perimeter. Okay. Perimeter means it is 1 round. Okay. This is how much? 1 round. Now you have to find out for 3 rounds. 3 rounds fencing is to be done, no? So therefore 3 rounds is equals to 3 into 160 is equals to what? 0. Write 0 here. Now 16 3s are 48. It is 480 meters. Right children? 480 meters. Okay. Now coming to the next part of the question. The second part of the question is the cost. Cost of 1 meter of wire. Cost of 1 meter of wire is equals to rupees 60. Therefore, cost of 480 meters of wire is equals to 60 into 480. 60 into 480. So how to do this? This will be this 0 written here, this 0 written here. Okay. Now 6 8s are 48. 4 in your mind. 6 8s are 48. So we wrote 8 down, 4 in your mind. Now 6 4s are 24 and 4 is 28. So this is what? 28800. Now this is what? Rupees. And put here comma. Right? So the answer is 28,800. So we can write here final answer. Answer, the total cost of fencing is rupees 28,800. Understood, children? What did we do? We first found out the perimeter of the rectangular plot. It is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Breadth and width are same. Don't get confused. So 20 into 50, that is 100. 50 2s are 100. 30 2s are 60. Add these both, you get 160 meters. That is perimeter. One round is equals to 160 meters. Now we have to calculate for 3 rounds. 3 rounds is equals to 3 into 160. It will be 480 meters. Now what did we find out? This is the wire required, measurement of the wire required, that is 480 meters. Right? Now what we have to find? The second part of your question is to find out the cost. Cost of 1 meter of wire is 60 rupees. Therefore, cost of 480 meters of wire will be 60 into 480. 480 will be 28,800 rupees. Right, children? Understood? Moving further towards the sixth sum. Now, your sixth sum is, sorry, we did the sixth one. Now, we have to do the seventh one. The seventh one. A game requires its players to run around a square playground. Each side of the playground is 20 meters long. One player took 5 rounds around the playground. How many meters did he run altogether? Same type of question. Same type, no? Their fencing is there, their wire is there. Here running is there. Here it is a square. So how to do that? Sum number 7. Now solution. Now what you have to find out? Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Formula is okay, children, formula is equals to 4 into length of one side. Now what is the length of one side? 4 into length of one side is 20 meters. Length of one side is 20 meters. It will be how much? 80 meters. Now what is this? Perimeter of the square. Right? This means one round. Perimeter of a square. Formula 4 into length of one side. 4 into 20 is 80 meters. That is perimeter is 80 meters. That is one round. Okay, children. Now one round. The boy runs how much? How many rounds does he run? 5 rounds. So therefore, 5 rounds is equals to 5 into 80 meters. 5 rounds is equals to what? 5 8s are 40 and this 0, this becomes 400 meters. So the player ran, this is the final answer, the player runs 400 meters. Right, children? Moving towards the 8th sum. Your 8th sum is 4 rounds of a wire fence have to be put around a field. If the field is 60 meters long and 40 meters wide, how much wire will be needed? Children, it is the same sum as we did the 6th sum. Same sum is there. Here you don't have to find out the cost. Only you have to find out the wire, how much wire will be required. So this 8th sum is your homework. Hope nobody will tell teacher, please don't give homework. It is understood. It has been explained. Same type of sum has been done. Same type, same method. Right, children? Coming towards the 9th sum. The sides of a triangle are 24.7 centimeters, 20.4 centimeters and 10.5 centimeters respectively. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Now we have to find out the perimeter of the triangle. Right, children? So what to do? 9th sum. Perimeter of the triangle is, you have to add all the 3 sides. The sum of, now here you have to write solution, perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of a triangle. So what is the perimeter of a triangle? Formula, sum of all the sides, sum of all the sides. Okay, so what you have to do, what is the measurement? Is equals to 24.7 plus 20.4 plus 10.5 is equals to, now what you have to do, you have to arrange it or you can add it horizontally also, however you feel it easy. It is like you can do like this. So children, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 1 carry and 6 here. So here comes what? 1 and 4 is 5. Right, children? That is 55. Here is 2 and here is 2, 4 and here is 1, 5. So this is 55. Now where is decimal point? Decimal point is before one number in all the figures given. 1 digit. So here also it will come as before 1 digit. So what is your answer? 55.6 centimeters. So you have to write your final answer. The perimeter of the rectangle, of the triangle, of the triangle is equals to 55.6 centimeters. Done? Understood? 55.6 centimeters. Now coming towards the last sum of the problem set, that is 10th sum. Look at the figures on the sheet of a graph paper. Measure their sides with the help of the lines on the graph paper. Write the perimeter of each in the right box. Now here you have to write the answer. Now this is, you have to measure it in the textbook only. Okay, no need to go and buy this thing. Right, measure here only, no need to draw and or stick the paper in your book. Measure it with the scale, write its perimeter here. Sum number 1, 2, 3, 4 are given. You have to just measure, add and then write here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. You can see A, B, C, D is the first sum. Second is rectangle E, F, G, H. This is the second sum, E, F, G, H. With the names you can understand. Third is P, Q, R, S. So this is third. And fourth is perimeter of S, T, U, V. This is the fourth one. So find out, calculate the measurement and write here. So 10th sum is also homework. This you have to measure on your own and then add. Right children? It is easy, no? Everybody can do it. Take a scale, measure the figures given and then write the answers here in the textbook itself. Okay children? I hope you all have understood. Along with this, we have completed problem set number 49. Thank you.